In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step process that you can use to start making hundreds of dollars every single day promoting CPA offers. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to make money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is you want to join a CPA network. And for those who don't know what CPA network is, literally CPA network is a platform where you can grab CPA offers and start making money online. And for those who don't know what CPA offer is, basically people just have to submit their emails or sign up for an offer or install an app and you make money. All right. So there are numerous CPA networks out there you can use. This one right here is called cpalead.com. And this one over here is cpagrip.com. So the first step you're going to be doing in this method is to create a landing page that looks like this. As you can see right here, this landing page says, find your next capture job. More than 1,568 capture jobs listed daily and up to $500 doing simple capture. Get started. So once the visitor clicks on this get started here, they are going to be shown with offers. And don't worry, I am going to show you how to do everything in this video. Okay, so the first thing, like I said, you want to create a landing page, and there are numerous landing page builder out there that you can use. As you can see, this one right here is called breezy.io. They give you a lot of templates that you can work with and create a landing page within 5 minutes. Okay, and also you can come over to use Google Site. It's 100% free. You don't have to pay anything, and you can come over to this template gallery section right here. As you can see, this is the template that I use to create this landing page right here. So basically everything is just drag and drop. All right, so once you have your landing page created, keep in mind you want to do this exact thing that I'm showing you in this video. You want to type in this text right here, find your next capture job. You want to make sure your landing page looks similar to this one. Like I said, all you just need to do is type in this text and have an image similar to this one in the background, and you want to have a button right here. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to come over to freenom.com. So you want to come over to this website right here to get an absolutely free domain. So once you get your domain, you want to connect the domain to the landing page you made on Google Site. As you can see, this domain right here, getjobsnow.tk. all right, you can see right here it looks short, simple, and more professional as opposed to using the generic Google Site landing page link. All right, so once you have your landing page made and you've connected the free domain you get from Freenom, and also for those who don't know how to do this, I'm going to leave a link in the description. I've made a video about how to do this. So literally you can go watch that video on how to link Freenom custom domain to Google Site. Okay, so go watch that video. It's going to be in the description. So the next thing you want to do now, you want to go back to your CPA network account. So I'm going to be taking CPA Grip here as an example. So what you're going to do from here, you want to come over to this URL file lockers. All right, and for those who don't have an account with CPA Grip, it's absolutely free to create an account and you get approved instantly. So once you come over here, you want to click on this agree to terms of service and you want to click on continue right here. So once you do this, you want to come over to this template section right here and you want to choose this template that says capture locker. So once you click on this template, you can see right here it has a capture right here. Okay, so the next step you want to do, you want to come over to this advanced section and you want to change this to 3 leads required. Although you can change it to 2 or 1, is all up to you. Whatever you decide to go with, whatever you want, you can select right here. Okay, so once you do that, you want to come back to this general right here. All right, as you can see right here, you want to select as many offers as you want. All right, so usually, so you can select this to 3 offers. As you can see right here, if you click on this, you are going to see it's going to show the visitors only 3 offers, but you can increase it to about 5 or 6. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to click on this show offers right here, and then you want to come over to this default right here and you want to change it to CPA, CPI, then pin, then credit. So once you click on that, as you can see right here, these are giveaway offers right here. And also if you look at the payout of these offers, most of them pay out at least $1.70. Okay, so if you take your calculator real quick and you type in $1.70 here and you multiply that by 3, all right, you can see right here you are going to be making at least $5 for every single person that completes the 3 offers. Okay, so basically once you do this, all you just need to do is click on save. So once you do that, you want to grab the link to your content locker right here. So once you do that, so all you just need to do is click on this copy link right here. So then, like I said, you want to go back to your landing page on Google site, and you want to create a button that says get started right here, and you want to paste in the content locker link right here. Okay, so as you can see right here, so once they come over to your page and they click on that button, as you can see right here, it's going to bring them to a captcha right here. All right, as you can see, once they click on this I'm not a robot, they are going to be shown CPA offers where they can enter a chance to win these gift cards right here. All right, so literally, as you can see, it's very simple and very easy. Once they complete these offers, you make money, and then they get a chance to win these gift cards right here. All right, so literally everybody wins. So now I'm going to be showing you how to make money promoting this landing page right here. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you want to head over to youtube.com and you want to type in make money online with captcha. So once you type that right here, you are going to be shown these results right here. But I always recommend you filter the results to this week. So you want to work with only recent videos. All right, as you can see right here, these are videos right here. This one with over 1,000 views already. So basically, you are going to repeat the same process for all of these videos right here. So I'm going to be taking this one here as an example. So all I'm just going to do is click on this video right here. So once you click on the video, you want to make sure you allow the video to play for a few seconds. All right, so once the video have played, you can basically pause the video and you can come over to the comment section. You can see right here, there are not so many comments on this video, and people get to see your comment easily. All right, so I've made a script right here. As you can see, these are two scripts that I made, but feel free to get creative. So I'm just going to take this one right here as an example, and all I'm just going to do is paste it in this comment right here. You can see this video is talking about how to make money with captcha. All right, so basically, if I click on comment right here, the comment is going to be shown to everyone who comes to this comment section. All right, so if I filter to the newest comment, you can see right here that the comment remains right in this video. So basically, as you can see right here, the comment remains on this video. So all you just need to do now is to go back to the search result, and you want to repeat the same process for as many videos as you find right here. As you can see right here, these people are already interested in captcha. You can see the landing page says find your next captcha job, which means they are more likely to click on this get started right here because they are interested in captcha. So once they click on that, you can see right here, this is a captcha content locker right here. And if they click I am not a robot, as you can see right here, they get to complete these offers, which gives them a chance to win these gift cards right here, and you make money for them doing so. So basically, that is literally all you need to do. It's a very simple strategy, and if you take action, you are definitely going to make money. All right, so basically that brings us to the end of today's video, and if you find any value, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.